Hey guys, what is cracking? EURCAD monster trade setup. I said when I posted the NZD USD trade, I said this is like a no look pass. Well, here's another one. And if you're scared about taking this trade, if you watch this whole video, you shouldn't be. So, all right, EURCAD, nice sell setup. I'm gonna show you exactly what the swing pattern is, looking at EURCAD, and I'm gonna show you pound CAD, give you an example of this pattern right here and what can happen. So basically what we've got is EURCAD has done basically the exact same thing that it just did right here. Okay? For example, you start here, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, over here, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. And then we've got our spike here, right here. Same thing. All right, then after that, you got your little hump here, right? Move down, right? Move down, little hump right there. There you go. We got a 1, 2, and a 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we go 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right? Now, one thing that's concerning when you see a pattern like this is you're worried that, like, and you see here, look, it came off a pitchfork, like exact. So you're worried that maybe this would be W, break a trend line. You're going to have an X, and then you're going to get a Y. Because that, is very possible. However, that shouldn't be what we have. Here, I'll show you why. Go to pound CAD. Okay, go to right here. See this? This is pound CAD. Now this is on the daily, and this pattern is a little different. But you see what happened at the end of this pattern. I'll move down. Finishing a correction, then you had a large impulse up, which the buy that's coming is really, really good, but that's going to take some time. The sell is what's coming right now. So if I took that pattern here and I paste it here, okay, it's different. Here, let's zoom in. It's different, but show you. So if we start from here, from this low, which it is different, a little different, but I remembered this because I remembered when I saw this pattern, I was like, man, is this a W and an X and a Y? But the thing is, it happened after so much of consolidation in here. That's just reversal, this pattern here. And notice what you got here. This is a flat right here. Well, because of this right here, this should actually be on the way down. So any small correction, just keep taking it down. I mean, just 1.50, $1.50 is over 200 and some pips. And we'll look at more what the real take profit should be. But you can see here this pattern, how it did this thing where you get this, the spikes there, same thing. Right through here. And then you've got your double top and you're going down. And if you look at your Trader Dynamic Index here, let me just take all this crap off here. Not to mention, I mean, you could just throw a pitchfork on it and be like, yep, sell it. But anyways, I just want to give you better evidence. So you've got the shark fin here. Okay, this occurred right here in your chart. And then you've got your divergence. Boom, going down. Drawings, here we go. So if you look at the 200 moving average is what I like on this chart, because if you look at the weekly, you got the 200 MA down here on the weekly. I think that's probably where it's going to go. If we look at the actual measurements of this swing pattern, to there, you can see, to this high, you can see that we went pretty much to equal length, which is what you should get in this type of combo swing. So if I draw my trend fibs here, it's possible that, let's look at the daily. It's possible we could have, you know, equal length, you know, I would think. That's taking you down to 145.43, potentially even lower, but I don't think it's going to go more than equal length because I expect this pattern to go up. So when you get down to here, because your low is here, do a fib retrace. Yeah, you can see the 786 is right above equal length, so this is where it would go, but however, you're going to have a very deep pullback. I don't know if you want to try to hold it for that many pips. I would just be looking to that 200. And then I think what it's going to do is then it's going to make this move up and then down again to create divergence for the reversal. So, and that trade can just take off, by the way, because if you look at this on the weekly, you pay attention, you can pause it and go back and look at those levels I just showed you, that zone I just showed you. But this is a WXY right here in the weekly. And this is an obvious 7 swing. It's just textbook. So if I take my trend fibs, I draw it here. I would have liked it to come down a little more, but considering that if it does go up from here and starts breaking the high, it's probably just going to this zone. You know, you want equal length for the 1.236 extension. It's just it didn't really come all the way down. And this is what these WXY patterns do, is you get like a double top and you break the trend line and then you just take off the other way. So whenever you see this structure on any time frame, okay, it breaks the trend line, that's where to enter. But then it's going to go up and then it's going to make a flag, give you an opportunity to take the buy. And there's your trend line right there. That might be exactly where it's going to go. See this trend line? Drawn from this low, it might just go right to there and then back up. And we could even get structure here. I wouldn't try to hold that trade for like that long. I would just be looking for, you know, whatever. But regardless, the point of this video, just a nice trade this week. CAD is looking strong right now. And beautiful setup.